around. She's gonna get you.
See, Mom.
No, don't worry about this.
She's walking and I'm
Here,
not.
show Mama how you do this. Go get him.
She's walking and I am not.
Check out that turn. The U-turn.
What?
Check out that U-turn.
You?
Huh, there's a little curb. I'm just gonna turn around.
Ooh.
There she goes.
Let me get some socks. Let me get some socks on, Mommy. I
Okay.
better run.
Okay, better run. There she turns into the kitchen. Let's see if we can see her. There's my clean laundry. Coming out this way. Coming out that way? Here she comes. Goldola. Has something caught your interest? Oh, there she turns around the other way. You're gonna go that way now? What's happening? It's okay. Keep going. Yeah. Keep going. There you go. There you go. Which way are you gonna come? You come down here? What do you see?
No, no.
Hold on, I gotta get her.
What?
I just want to get her coming down the hallway.
No.
Oh, that's naked.
Look.
What do you see? She's doing a 3-point turn here.
No, she's going that way.
Yeah. Oh, she found a toy. You put that there. Oh, look at those little buns. Look at those little buns. All right, Goldie. I think you showed us your stuff. That's pretty good. Yeah?
See them.
Oh, okay, hold on.